How to import products from Amazon to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to import products from Amazon to Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you will get right here in your admin. So first of all, we need to add an app and integration of Amazon to Shopify. So for that, you can go to apps right here and click on App Store and it will take you to Shopify App Store. So here we are and we can search for any kind of app, and I'm gonna go ahead and search for Amazon. All right, so we have Amazon right here, Amazon by Codisto. So this is where it's provided by Codisto, and it is going to be a sales channel that we can add to our Shopify. All right, so here we have Amazon. I'm gonna click on Add App. Okay, so we have to click on Add Sales Channel. You can see it's Amazon. And there you go, you have Amazon by Codisto here. Now you will click on connect to Amazon and just sign in to your Amazon account that you have. So we're gonna go with Amazon.com, and you can select any of the Amazons that you have in your region. I'm gonna go with Amazon.com. So it will open up our Amazon for us now, and we can select any kind of product from here. Just add to the listing, and then it will be added to our Shopify right here. And I'll just go to my listings and it will allow me to check the listings here. We have order transfers. I can also get my store overview with Amazon right here. So you just need to connect your Amazon. Make sure that you have an account on Amazon first, and then list your products and import products from Amazon to Shopify in one click. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.